In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get all characters in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get all of the characters currently available in C's Battlegrounds and how to use the entirety of their movesets. So you will be able to use their movesets by pressing 1, 2, 3, and 4, or tapping on them if you are on mobile, and to actually access all of the characters, all that you have to do is tap the characters option at the top left. So by default, when you first join the experience, you will have access to 3 characters, so you will be able to select them here. Now, if you are in combat, you will have to wait to switch between the characters, but regardless, all that you have to do is click on their icons here, like I mentioned. So the game calls the characters Sun God, Perv, and Pirate Hunter. There are 2 locked characters as well, which I'm also going to be talking about, but these are Luffy, Sanji, and Zoro. So whenever you click on any of them, you will be able to switch. So you can see the new moves are here. So for Sanji, you will have Party, Table, Kick, Course, Mouton Shot, Handsome Kick, and Coup de Hache as the 4th move. You can also fill out the Awakening bar as any of the characters, and filling out this bar here will give you access to their awakened form. Finally, you are going to have Zoro, so once again we just have to wait until this combat timer is out, and then we'll be able to switch. You can use all of these abilities here as any character, and this is what Zoro has. So Onigiri, Lion Song, Pound Phoenix, and then Climbing Dragon. All of them will have their own awakening form with different abilities that sadly I won't be able to showcase in this video, and these 3 characters, Zoro, Sanji, and Luffy, are going to be accessible by default. Now, if you want to access these 2 here, first for the early access character, you will have to purchase early access, so this costs roughly 300 Robux, and sadly there is no other way besides just paying. If you pay for early access, you will be able to select them here. This locked one is actually Gojo Satoru, and to get him, you have to talk to this NPC at the wall, and if you talk to this NPC, you will be given a quest to win 3 ranked games in a row, win 33 games in ranked, it doesn't have to be in a row, just 33 games total, and finally, you will have to defeat 100 opponents. If you do all of those objectives, you will then be able to unlock Gojo Satoru. The early access character at the moment, during the time that I'm recording this video, is Ano. I hope I was able to help you on how to get all characters in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.